One of municipality of Palawan is Coron. This is a first-class municipality with a population of 65,855 people. This is the third largest island in the Calamian Island in the northern Palawan, Philippines. Coron Island faces the Sulu Sea and forms the eastern side of Coron Bay. It is about 20 km long from north to south and 9 km at its widest point. Coron sets apart with other similar island hopping destinations because of sheer diversity that it has to offer to its tourists. From beautiful lagoons to crystal clear beaches to magnificent dive sites, they even have a popular viewpoint in Coron Town, Busuanga, which is Mount Tapyas. Mount Tapyas, where lies the famous Coron sign. It is a mountain deck where you need to walk 724 steps to get there. At the summit, you will see the panoramic view of the whole town proper of Coron. Coron is politically subdivided into 23 barangays. Its fiesta is held annually on August 28 in honor of Saint Augustine. The municipality is home to the Coron Island Natural Biotic Area, which is listed in the natural category of the UNESCO World Heritage. So join us and let's explore the beauty of Coron, Palawan. Going to Manila Domestic Airport, Terminal 4.
Like I've seen it, a life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say. I need a break. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on.
Touchdown. Arrival at Francisco B. Reyes, Busuanga Airport, Palawan.
Game face on when I chase like that. Yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise, you can hate on that. I don't play both sides, don't need no cap. I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me slack. No, it's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up. That's how you get tough. Calluses on my hands so rough, yeah, I call your bluff. I'm not the one, mess with me.
Before leaving the arrival area, it is mandatory to pay the environmental fee amounting to 200 pesos per person.
Staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I wanna be someone.
It takes more or less 30 to 45 minutes land travel from airport to our hotel destination. We are not yet on the best tourist spots of Coron, but along the way, you will see these amazing landscape views. We arrived exactly 12:15 in the afternoon at our room accommodation and already checked in our bags.
Is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon.
We need to find a restaurant to eat our lunch. The usual transportation here is through riding a tricycle.
Fade away like a card, never change. Play the game that we say. I need a break.
The tricycle driver recommended the Island Boy restaurant near Luwalhati Park. So let's try it.
Stay strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming. I wanna be someone. I wanna be great. I'm gonna be someone. It's never too late. Game face on when I chase like that. Yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise, you hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me slack. No, it's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up. That's how you get tough. Calluses on my hands so rough, yeah, I call your bluff. I'm not the one, mess with me and come out with none. Cause I'm so done, you had your fun. And now you're gonna face down the barrel of the gun. Cause I got a full clip.
Based on our tour package, the first day of our tour will start tomorrow, which is the island hopping. So since we still have lots of time, we decided to maximize our time here and go to Maquinit Hot Spring. To go to Maquinit Hot Spring, we need to ride a tricycle which costs 500 pesos for 4 persons. That's the total pay for back and forth. Maquinit is derived from the native word of mainit. It is one of the very few saltwater hot springs in the world. Maquinit Hot Spring has a relaxing and therapeutic circular pool that is kept at a temperature of 39 to 40 degrees Celsius. So if you want to relax after a tiring trip within Coron, staying here will be definitely the perfect place.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe on this channel. Your support will give me the motivation to create more videos. As always, thank you for watching Dream Media.